Welcome to the Tico People's Gas Cooking Challenge. Today on my right I have Brayden Point, and on my left I have Jake Dotchin. We're gonna do the next thing on the menu, which is fried rice. Game on, guys. 2, 1, that's it. All right, Lightning fans, at the end of round 2. Guys, what do we have here?
I got fried rice here, mushroom,
good.
peas, carrots, a little bit of bacon.
Yeah, looks really good. A little egg in there?
Little egg in there, yeah. Just one egg. Bit of soy sauce.
Not too bad. Looks good too. It looks really good.
All right, well, thank you.
Jake?
We'll see what you think here. Pretty much went with the same ingredients that Brayden did. Just trying to outcook them. Went with a bit more spices, I think. Kept throwing pepper and whatever else was back there in there. And
they're both really good. Not too bad. You know, I think Brayden's rice is maybe just a little bit better, but overall, the ingredients. So I'm going to give round 2 to the centerman, Brayden Point.
Thank you. Yeah, no.
everyone gets lucky ones.
Looks like we got a showdown here. Final round, tied up.
Another clutch performance by Brayden Point as he ties it up. Stay tuned for the next round and visit peoplesgas.com/cooking for info on energy conservation rebates, tips, and tasty recipes to get you cooking with natural gas.